Moshe Basson is an institution in Israel. He just loves always going into Old Jerusalem and giving history lessons. But I tell you, his talks always come back to the food and unique ingredients found in the markets. I don't know how he does it. He goes in without a basket, but no sooner do we step in, he gets one handed to him. My adventure begins as I follow Moshe through the market streets. It seems like I heard every merchant calling us to visit their stalls as we worked our way through the crowds. He pointed out all the spices and food vendors along the way, and the aromas everywhere we went were just amazing. He stopped at certain stalls to point out a few things to me. Some of the displays really caught my eyes, like the Stavros Zatar. It's made by many colorful spices, and every day they build a new one. No wonder Moshe loves this market.
This is good, but what about that? Dried lemon. Those are dried lemons?
I felt like we struck culinary gold. So many different smells and tastes. Moshe told me that some even have medical benefits.
Oh, this is a sort of Massimo Capra.
That one?
Yeah, this is not... This is a wonderful thing. It gets stones in the kidney, and it works automatically.
Oh yeah, more tasting.
This is...
Thank you.
This is maybe the Arab panna cotta.
Oh, come on.
It's a cheese.
Right.
It's goat cheese.
Oh, look at that.
This time it's like semolina.
Are you kidding me? This is awesome. Oh my goodness, good.
The local name for the dessert is nafeh. It's amazing. Then Moshe asked me back to his restaurant later in the evening to show me his Walls of Jericho platter. I learned that Moshe's platter is inspired by a biblical event. The walls of Jericho were torn down when the Israelites marched around the fortified city 7 times. This demonstration is going to be interesting.
So we need your help counting with us, and I need another volunteer to wash the dishes. And the one that I cannot hear him will be the volunteer. Sevet v'chutz. So it's hard, don't touch it.
Okay.
With your right hand, 7 white circles from left to right.
Okay.
And they're all counting with us. Then make a good wish. After the wish, hold the handles, lift it smoothly and slowly, right up, then turn it to the camera and smile.
Okay.
Ready?
Good.
Okay, so we are counting. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good wish.
Okay.
Slowly, slowly up, 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 up. And here, the one for the drink also.
There you go.
Excellent mustache also.
Growing it all myself.
And this is the best part.
Oh, yes.
All right.
That is
This
the
we're
best
selling for
part.
high price. This is the tadegi, or... Do you know it as korban? You know it as korban? Korban?
Lamb is the key ingredient in this dish. And let me tell you, Moshe loves his Walls of Jericho platter. And he feeds many of his clientele each time he makes it. People come to his restaurant for his food of biblical proportions and his stories, of course. There is no doubt in my mind that Israel provides world-class cuisine developed by chefs who believe in traditions, local ingredients, and add their own twist. There are so many variations of shashuka all over this country. Israel is a fabulous place, and because I work with the chefs, I love this dish. Until next time, bon appetito!